It's Wednesday! And I just got the notification that the FedEx truck is on its way. It's coming here with my drone. So I've been like researching this for like 2 years because I wanted a drone so bad. I finally decided to do it and just cannot wait until this thing arrives and for me to show you which drone that I bought. So stay tuned. FedEx is here. They need 2 guys to get my drone. Let's go check it out. Hey! Oh my god, my drone's here. George, be quiet. Shh. How you doing? Good. Thank you so Oh, baby.
Excited, my drone's here. Yes. That's my drone. Yeah.
All right. Yay. Okay, I'm excited because this is our first official unboxing with What Did You Buy Now? I told you guys earlier that I had ordered a drone and it was a surprise of which one I finally picked. And we are now going to find out. All I care about is get this box open. And we have a bunch of paper and the one and only Mavic Air Pro 2. Sorry, Mavic Air 2. Not Pro, Mavic Air 2. Although that would be a great name for the next Mavic Air is the Mavic Air Pro. But my gimbal was not a fan of that. It said no. So we're just going to keep it to the Mavic Air 2. Oh my god, I'm so excited to get this going. So I got the Fly More package and with this came what I ordered as additional, of course, which is my memory card. I bought a 128 gigabyte SanDisk Extreme memory card. I did get the Fly More combo. I thought it's just gonna come with like an additional pack, but it's all kind of neatly and nice. My phone does not wanna, keeps moving away. Whoa, okay, all right phone, all right, calm down. It's okay. I know you don't like it. All right, that's it. I'm turning you off. Hold on. The gimbal's okay. We're gonna carry on. So, here's the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo package. As you can see on the pictures, it's got more batteries, more propellers, a bag, cool stuff. But that's enough looking at the box and actually open it to see the real deal itself. Come on. Okay. That's pretty cool. Everything fits pretty neatly in the bag. It awkwardly opens the other way. That's odd. Cool. So we have the drone. Battery, and a cable to charge the batteries, I assume. There's a third battery on the drone itself, so there's 3 total batteries. Cool. We also have the remote controller. I think that's a charger for the batteries. And here we have propellers. Yes. And probably documents. Okay. Quick start guide, which I'm sure everybody reads before they start. Some propellers. More propellers. Hello? Hello? Something in there. No, that's it. If you're like me, you've already watched thousands of videos online on how to deal with this quick start before your drone arrived. So I don't really feel like I need to do this. I just feel like I need to just get this going. I am definitely going to demo this with you guys a little bit later. It is starting to get dark out, so I don't think that I'll be able to fly this tonight. I will most likely share this with you on a day that we have more sunlight and I can video this better. So thanks for hanging out with me. Sorry for all the defects, but at the same time, I hope you had fun opening this box with me. So stay tuned for another episode of What Did You Buy Now? My wife says it better.